Okay guys, so let's try to solve problem number 7. So ang function natin ngayon ay 4 cosine x sin y is equals to negative 1. So papansinin natin, this is an example of a implicit differentiation. So of course, sabi yun, as I mentioned sa mga previous video natin, so implicit differentiation can be applied to transcendental function. So hindi lang naman siya fixed to an algebraic function. So, pwede rin siyang trigonometric function. Okay? So, let's try. So, of course, hindi mo naman ma-isolate yung sin y dito. So, we have to use implicit differentiation. So, solve na natin. So, what can we do? So, of course, para mawala yung constant 4 dito, so, pwede mong i-divide both sides by 4. Diba? So, wala na yung 4 dyan. So, may iwan na lang is cosine x sin y is equals to 1/4. Diba? So, naging constant na siya sa kabila. And derivative of a constant is 0, diba? Pag kinuha natin yung derivative niyan. Okay, so let's take the derivative of both sides. So, derivative of both sides. Ayan. So, of course, review lang tayo. Pag nag-derive tayo ng implicit, so pag nag-derive tayo ng may x, normal lang, diba? So, no need. Normal differentiation. But if we derive a value of y, so aside sa derivation, maglalagay ka pa ng y prime, which is yun yung, diba, it symbolizes dy over dx, tama? Okay, so now, so since we have here cosine x, that is, anong operations sila nagjo-join? So, product, diba? So, naka-multiply. So, pag naka-multiply, it means product rule. So, by applying product rule, so, yan. So, yung first function mo, copyhin mo. Ayan guys, follow. So, cosine x times. Now, derivative of sin y is derivative of sin, which is cosine. Copyhin yung function y. Times, what is the derivative? Since nag-derive ka ng y, diba? Which is y function, cosine y. Derivative of y is, which is y prime, diba? Y prime. Diba? Derivative kasi ng y, diba? So, y prime. Plus, your second function, which is sin y. So, product rule to guys, sin y times derivative of cosine x, which is negative sin. Diba? Sin x. So, clear tayo na sundan. So, product rule to. Kaya nga, guys, I always reiterate, dapat at this point, alam na alam niyo yung paggamit ng product rule. Okay? Next. Is equals to, derivative of constant 1/4. Of course, 0 na yan, di ba? So, mas padali na. So, multiply nyo na lang. So, y prime times cosine x times cosine y. So, y prime. So, cosine x, cosine y. Minus sin x, sin y is equals to 0. Then, isolate nyo yung y prime. So, itong expression na to, you can transpose to the right. So, magiging y prime cosine x, cosine y is equals to, so, negative, magiging positive na, sin x, sin y. Then, para ma-isolate yung y prime, divide both sides by cosine x, cosine y. So, pati rin dito. Cosine y. So, cancel. So, y prime is equals to sin x, sin y. Ayan, duduling na ako. Ayan. Sin x, sin y. Tama ba? Ayan. Over cosine x, cosine y. Okay na ba yan? Pwede na yan. Or, para mas masimplify pa, of course, what is sin x over cosine x? Diba tangent, diba? Diba sin x over cosine x is equals to tangent x, o tangent theta. O, same lang din dito. Sin y over cosine y, tangent y. So, your final answer will be, so, sin x over cosine x, that's tangent x. And sin y over cosine y, tangent y. And this will be your final answer. So, simplified form na yan. So, yun, that's how you apply implicit differentiation with trigonometric functions. So, this concludes our examples. So, guys, ulitin ko, I always say it, guys. The key in passing or in mastering differential calculus is practice solving. So, ito ay mga example lang. Actually, there are many scenarios or problems na pwedeng itanong sa differential, especially dito. So, of course, how do you accustom with those problems? By solving problems, guys. Okay, so I tackle lang yung mga basic, kumbaga ito yung mga usually na-encounter na problems, okay? But for the rest, guys, it's up to you. So, I have, I uploaded PowerPoint presentations, mayroon din mga video, aside sa video ko, guys, there are other videos na available sa net, so you can consume those. So, if you have questions, please feel free to ask. Okay? So, yun lang naman, guys. So, thank you for watching my video. So, yun. Please, kung ano pala, guys, subscribe kayo sa channel ko. So, para at least, pag may bagong upload, so, notified kayo. So, yun lang, guys. So, thank you.